All right, I'm going to dive in today to how to make every day better than the last. But just a quick intro here. Happy Fantabulous Tuesday to everybody tuning in on the day that I record. If it's not Tuesday where you're listening, then happy whatever day of the week it is. Hope that it's awesome and amazing for you. And if it's not, then the question comes, why not? Why is today not an incredibly awesome day? Why are you tired? Why are you exhausted? Why are you moody? Why are you frustrated? Why are you wanting a break? Why do you want your mindset is what's broken behind this? And it's a very, very easy thing to shift when it comes down to how to make every day incredible. Because what most people end up doing is they pre-frame their day the day before for what's going to happen in the coming day. What do I mean by this? I mean, when you're going to bed at night, if you're a person who's constantly thinking about how much work you have the next day, how many things are going to go wrong, how bad of sleep you're going to get, how tired you are going to bed, so you must be so tired tomorrow. You're pre-framing your mind, and what you think about is what's going to happen. You make your thoughts become your reality. The things that you focus on are the things that come to fruition. What you see, where you sow, there you reap what you sow is what I'm trying to say there. Sorry, word vomit. But the point that I'm making here is that as you're thinking about things, those are what's going to come true. So what you need to do is start shifting your focus of your mind and what you're telling yourself in order to get to the point that you're comfortable inside of the thoughts of how to make each day better. Super simple exercise that I have done a couple times with my wife for a couple weeks at a time, just to practice changing the mindset out of the negative shift and into the positive every single day. Every single day, one of the first things that you do when you wake up is you tell yourself, I'm going to make today so awesome, incredible, exciting, happy, joyful. Fill in the word with what you want. I always said awesome. I just said I want to make today so awesome, yesterday gets jealous. And that's all it takes in your mindset. And then you change your mindset to thinking about how incredible today's going to be. And when you do that, then your mind starts thinking, how do I make that happen? And you subconsciously are going to start thinking about things that will help make that a reality, because it's what you're focusing on. You're going to start thinking of things in a different way. You're going to start seeing your subconscious programming come out in a way that's helping you see things in a more positive light. You're going to start seeing things that might have bugged you as a joy. You're going to start seeing happiness in things that you might have missed the day before. And if you do this every single day, try it for a week. What's it going to hurt, right? Try it for 1 week. Every single day when you wake up, say, I'm going to make today so incredible. Yesterday gets jealous. How do I make this happen? And that's what you focus on. You don't think about how tired you are. You don't think about how you only got 4 hours of sleep last night because the kids woke up 3 times crying or had to go to the bathroom or couldn't sleep or needed to cuddle and you had to put them back to bed. You don't think about how many things you have to do at work, how your boss is hounding you to get this project done, how you have to get these things taken care of, how your coworkers are driving you insane, how your wife wants you to take her out, how your wife wants you to spend more time with her, how your in-laws are bugging you because you never take the grandkids to see them. You don't think about any of that. You don't think about all the things that are driving you insane, the things that you're like, I don't have enough bandwidth for. You start thinking about the things of how joyful can today be? How exciting can today be? How much fun can I have in today's day and time? What can I do to make today so incredible that yesterday gets jealous? And if you can start thinking about things in that, test it for 1 week. Let me know how it goes. I guarantee you're going to see a shift in your focus, a shift in your mind, and a shift in your perspective around the things around you. I'll see you guys tomorrow.